Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Autocad mobile app works. The app brings the power of Autocad to mobile devices by letting users view, create, edit, and share CAD drawings on the go. Users can open DWG files, zoom and pan with intuitive gestures, and measure distances or angles with precision. It also lets users draw lines, arcs, circles, and apply annotations or markups directly on the mobile screen. The mobile version supports offline editing, so users can download a drawing, work on it without Wi-Fi, and sync changes later. It enables layer control, object snapping, and block insertion to maintain drawing accuracy. There are also photo-to-drawing tools that allow users to capture a room or object and convert it into CAD line work within the app. Pros include full DWG compatibility, offline editing, and professional markup tools that mirror desktop functionality. Cons are that some advanced features require a paid subscription and heavy drawings may slow performance on older phones. The interface also has a learning curve for new users familiar with simpler apps. Recent reviews highlight users appreciating being able to make quick field edits and share annotated plans with teammates. Some mention that complex drawings can lag and that synchronization occasionally fails in weak networks. Overall, the Autocad mobile app provides a powerful on-the-go CAD solution with most essential features available, while paid tiers unlock advanced tools. It's especially useful for architects, engineers, and construction teams needing access to drawings outside the office. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.